Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to show what you're playing on Discord Mobile. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. So first, open the Discord app on your phone. Now, once here, just click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then, look for privacy and safety. Scroll down and tap on display current activity as a status message. Just toggle it on. Now close the settings. Then, tap on the set status. And as you can see, there is an option set a custom status, so tap on it. Just pick what you want, then hit the save button. So basically, that's it. Pretty quick and simple. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.